Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for in-depth reviews and insights into the best health and wellness products on the market. In today's video, we're diving into the best Hair Reborn Korean Ginseng. A product that has been making waves for its incredible potency and all-natural ingredients. If you're looking to boost your energy, enhance your vitality, or even support healthier hair growth, this is definitely a product you'll want to consider. Let's take a closer look at what makes this red Korean Panax Ginseng stand out. First up, this ginseng is USDA organic certified, ensuring that you're getting a pure, high-quality product without any harmful chemicals or additives. Whether you're trying to enhance your overall wellness or target specific needs like hair regeneration, this ginseng extract is a great choice. Made from the revered red Korean Panax Ginseng, this product uses a 20:1 concentrated extract, which means it's highly potent, with 8,000 milligrams per serving. That's right, each dose packs a powerful punch. The key to its effectiveness lies in the ginsenosides, the active compounds in ginseng that provide the health benefits. This product is standardized to contain a minimum of 5% ginsenosides, which is a high concentration for maximum impact. Whether you're looking to improve energy levels, support mental clarity, or help regenerate hair follicles, this formula is one of the strongest available. In addition to its potency, the capsules are completely vegan and non-GMO, making it suitable for anyone with dietary restrictions. There are no artificial fillers or unnecessary chemicals in this formula. Each capsule is made with all-natural stabilizers and contains absolutely no gluten, soy, dairy, or any other allergens. So, whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or simply conscious of what you put into your body, you can feel good about this choice. Not only is this Korean ginseng organic and potent, but it's also incredibly affordable. With 120 vegan capsules in a bottle, you're getting an excellent value compared to other products on the market. When you consider the strength of each dose and the organic certification, this product offers a fantastic deal for anyone looking to invest in their health. As for how it works, red Korean Panax Ginseng has been traditionally used for boosting energy and improving stamina. But it's also been shown to have a positive effect on hair growth and overall vitality. The powerful 20x extract allows your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently, which can lead to visible results when used consistently over time. Whether you're looking for improved hair health or just want to feel more energized, this supplement can help. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy, enhance your mental clarity, and potentially improve your hair's health, the Zazie USDA Organic Red Korean Panax Ginseng is a great option. Its strength, purity, and value make it one of the best ginseng supplements available today. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.